Edpuzzle is overall a great tool that should be known and incorporated into every classroom for reducing curriculum barriers in each of our students. Edpuzzle first reinforces accountability. This is an example of knowing if your students are watching your videos and how many times per section if they're understanding the content. Secondly, it engages students easily. This enables self-paced learning with interactive lessons, and you can add your voice and questions within each video that you're creating. Lastly, it saves time. Take already existing videos from YouTube, Crash Course, or anything you think that would help the lesson. And also, it's free to use for teachers and students. One barrier that Edpuzzle reduces is with students who struggle with writing or are below their typical average reading level. This site can help them understand what they are being taught or what they are about to be taught verbally by their teacher or by a video presentation on the site. Another barrier that Edpuzzle reduces, taken from the lesson, is with students who have a hard time recalling information they have previously been taught. This is important because prior information is crucial for growth in the classroom. Edpuzzle can help with students who like visuals to refresh what they have already been taught and help them to move forward in their studies. Another barrier that is reduced is by using Edpuzzle is fulfilling student engagement. There are tons of ways teachers can use this tool to make this happen. This could be seen by adding different voices or video clips in the presentation, adding interactive activities with their peers, or adding content questions to recall what the students have learned. One UDL principle that supports Edpuzzle is 7B. 7B states the teacher plans how to achieve each student's learning goal, choosing appropriate strategies and accommodations, resources, and materials to differentiate instruction for individuals and groups of learners. This method perfectly supports how a teacher can choose different teaching strategies to adjust the different learners in the classroom and supply to their individual needs. Specifically, this can be seen as using videos, games added verbally by the teacher, voices, or anything that the teacher feels suits the entire class as a whole to understand the lesson or the instructions. Another UDL principle that supports this site is 8L. 8L states the teacher knows when and how to use appropriate strategies to differentiate instruction and engage all learners in complex thinking and meaningful tasks. A teacher using Edpuzzle can make the presentation as flashy as he or she wants, but also can simplify it too. This, I believe, is up to the teacher's judgment, but Edpuzzle applies to this option, having the freedom of creativity in his or her hands. Lastly, UDL Principle 7J supports his teaching method. 7J states that the teacher understands the strengths and needs of individual learners and how to plan instruction that is responsive to these strengths and needs. By using this site, content and knowledge questions about each video can be added and to see the progress of each student. This is a great way for teachers to get a better understanding of the strengths and weaknesses that his or her students are engaging with in the particular lesson. Edpuzzle can be used in the classroom in a variety of ways. Specifically, Edpuzzle can be a great tool for lesson review. This site can be used to combine prior information taught with videos found online or made by the teacher himself to know if the students are ready to move on. Also, by adding questions during or at the end, the students can be tested on their memory and knowledge of the lesson. Edpuzzle is overall a great tool that should be known and incorporated into every classroom for reducing curriculum barriers in each of our students.